Hi, to manufacture this t-shirt, I'll be using an organic knit fabric and which has a print on the front as well as on the back. So let's start. I'll just mark and start the cutting. I've just folded the fabric in the center and I have the pattern here. I'm just laying the pattern over this and you can see the positioning, and I'm just marking keep watching. I'm going to go very slow, like unlike other videos they just fast forward it. Here I'm not going to do the same. This is the front part. So the same way I'm going to fold the center of the print for my back cutting. Comment. So I'll come up with a video to how to make this pattern. We can also help you out with a small manufacturing. If you are planning to start your business of t-shirt and you don't know where to get your t-shirts manufactured, because big industries, they don't manufacture small quantities. So in that case, we are there to help you. So for more details about us, you can just log on to the website www.thedresserboutique.com, or you can join us for the pattern making program in our institute. If you want the information about our courses, you can visit or log on to www.tdifp.com. Here we are going to create the neckband. We are creating the neckband using the same fabric. Generally it is done using rib material. We are done with all the cutting parts. So this is my neckband, this is my sleeves, and this is my front and back body cutting. So now let us go and learn how to stitch this and see how much time does it takes to construct one t-shirt.